Hi guys, I hope that you're all doing well. In today's lesson, we'll try the subtraction rule under grade 10 exponents. Before you start with this video, I'd recommend that you check out the grade 8 video in which I teach you that when you have the same bases that are divided, you minus the exponents. I'll make sure that the link to the video is in the description. So if you have, let's say, x cubed divided by 2, how do you solve this? Do you have the same base? Yes, you have 2. Are they divided? You have a division sign. You do have the same bases that are divided. So you write down your base 2, then you subtract the exponents. So we'll say 3 minus, that's an invisible 1, which is 2 to the power 2. This also applies when dealing with variables. Again, go and watch the grade 8 video. If you have, let's say, x to the power 10 divided by x to the power 5, how do we solve this? Do you have the same base? Yes, they are divided. So we write down our base, then minus our exponents, which is 10 minus 5. Your answer is x to the power 5. Again, it could also be in a fraction, right? If you have y to the power 10 over y to the power 2, this is the same as y to the power 10 divided by y to the power 2. Just note that your numerator, the one on top, comes first and the denominator comes second. Okay, so it's the same thing, it's just the notation that differs. So how do we solve this? We'll say y, you write down our y, then subtract our exponents, which is 10 minus 2. Your answer will be y to the power 8. So what if we just had, let me rewrite this, so y to the power 10 divided by y to the power 2. We check if you have the same bases. So you have y and y, so you write down that base. You have a division sign, they're divided. Okay, where's the division sign? That line, that is basically the division sign. So let's subtract our exponents. You have 10 and 2, 10 minus 2. Your answer is y to the power 8. Now let's try a few examples. In grade 10 exponents, you have 10a to the power 5 b squared divided by 2a cubed b. How do we solve this? We start with our values or the coefficients. You have 10 and 2, which is 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So you write down our 5 here. Now let's move to our variables. You have a to the power 5. Do we have another a? Yes, you have a to the power 3 or a cubed. So you write a to the power 5 divided by a cubed because there's a division sign. How do we solve this? Do we have the same base? We have a and a? Yes. Do you have the other bases divided? Yes. So we'll say a to the power 5 minus 3, right? Which is a to the power 2. So you write your a to the power 2 here. Now let's move to the next variables. What do we have? We have b and b. We have the same base. So this is b squared divided by b. How do we solve this? Do we have the same base? You have b and b. Yes. Are they divided? Absolutely. So we write down our base. We have 2 and that's basically 1. So this is 2 minus 1. Your answer is b. 2 minus 1, 1. But you don't have to write down that 1 when writing your final answer. So this is just 5a squared b. That is your final answer. Let's try number 2. Let's try 6x to the power 10 y to the power 6 divided by 3xy to the power 3. This is the same as 6x to the power 10 y to the power 6 divided by 3xy cubed. Okay? The notation differs, but we still follow the same steps. What do we start with? Our coefficients. You have 6 and 3. So this is 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So you write down our 2 here. Now let's move to our values. You have x to the power 10 and x. X to the power 10 divided by x. Okay? Because you're dealing with division. Do we have the same base? You have x and x. Yes. Are they divided? Yes. So you write down our base, which is x. Then we subtract the exponents, which is 10 and 1. So this is 10 minus 1. Your answer is x to the power 9. So you write your x to the power 9 there. What's our next variable? We have y and y. So this is y to the power 6 divided by y to the power 3, which is, now let's solve this. You have y and y. Are they divided? Yes. Same bases that are divided. So you write down our base, then 6 minus 3. Your answer, not your final answer, is y. 6 minus 3 is 3. So you write y cubed. Your final answer is 2x to the power 9, 9 cubed. Now let's try the last example. Let's try 20 p squared q to the power 12 over 2pq to the power 5. How do we solve this? We start with our values. Okay, 20 and 2, so you'll see 20 divided by 2, which is 10. Guys, when you see this in your exams, don't freak out. You still follow the same rules. I'll do exam questions when I'm done with this series, and when I'm almost done with the series, I'll do exam questions so that you're prepared for your June or your final exams. Okay, so do not worry. When you see fractions, don't freak out. I know that they can be intimidating. Now let's move to our variables. We have p squared and p. P squared divided by p, right? Do we have the same base? We have p and p. Yes. Are they divided? Yes. So you write p 2 minus 1, which is just p to the power 1. Okay, so you can just write down, I forgot to write down this 10 p, that p. You don't have to write the power to the power 1. What's the next variable? We have q and q. So this is p to the power 12 divided by, q to the power 12 divided by q to the power 5. Do we have the same base? We have q and q? Yes. Are they divided? Absolutely. So we subtract our exponents. This is q 12 minus 5. And your answer is q to the power 7. Q to the power 7. Your final answer is 10 pq to the power 7. And this wasn't the last example, I'm sorry. Let's do the last one. Let's try negative 3 f to the power 4 x cubed all over negative fx. How do we solve this? We start with our values. So we'll see negative 3 divided by negative. This is basically negative 1. Negative 3 divided by negative 1. Your answer is positive 3. Again, please verify with your calculator. When you punch that in, make sure that your negative is in a bracket. So you write our positive 3 there. Let's move to our variables. You have f and f. So f to the power 4 divided by f. Do we have the same base? Yes. Are they divided? Absolutely. So you write down our base, subtract our exponents, which is 4 minus 1. Our answer is f. 4 minus 1 is 3, so f cubed. So 3 f cubed. What's our next variable? We have x squared and x. X squared divided by x. We write down our base x, then 2 minus 1, which is x to the power 1. So when you write down our final answer, we don't have to include the to the power 1, our exponent. It's just x. The final answer is therefore 3f cubed x. And that is how you simplify using the subtraction rule in greater and exponents. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.